Hello, fellow 3D printing enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exhilarating topic to delve into: 3D printing applications. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey through the incredible world of 3D printing applications. When we talk about 3D printing, it's not just about creating small trinkets. This technology has pushed boundaries across various industries, from prototyping to healthcare and aerospace. Prototyping, from idea to reality. Let's start with one of the most common applications: prototyping. 3D printing allows designers and engineers to turn their ideas into tangible prototypes quickly. Whether you're designing a new product, a piece of machinery, or even architectural models, 3D printing accelerates the prototyping process and saves both time and money. Moving on to healthcare, 3D printing has brought about a revolution. It enables the creation of custom implants, prosthetic limbs, and even 3D printed organs. Patients are receiving life-changing treatments, thanks to the precision and customization offered by 3D printing in medicine. Aerospace, lighter, stronger, and more efficient parts. In the aerospace industry, 3D printing is a game changer. It allows for the production of lighter, stronger, and more efficient components. From jet engine components to spacecraft parts, 3D printing is making space exploration more accessible and efficient. Art and design, pushing creative boundaries. 3D printing isn't just about function, it's about art and design as well. Artists and designers are pushing creative boundaries using this technology. From intricate sculptures to jewelry, 3D printing is redefining what's possible in the world of art. Education, inspiring future innovators. In education, 3D printing is inspiring the next generation of innovators. Students can bring their ideas to life, enhancing their understanding of STEM subjects. It's a hands-on way to learn, and it's sparking creativity and problem-solving skills in young minds. Sustainability, reducing waste and energy. Sustainability is another area where 3D printing shines. By reducing waste and energy consumption, it's contributing to a greener future. Recycling materials and using them in 3D printing is a step towards a more eco-friendly world. Closing thoughts. And that, my friends, is just a glimpse into the vast world of 3D printing applications. It's not just a technology, it's a force that's transforming industries and improving lives. As we move forward, the possibilities are limitless, and 3D printing is poised to continue shaping the world in remarkable ways. If you found this video as fascinating as I did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting 3D printing content. Remember, the world of 3D printing is ever evolving, and I can't wait to see where it takes us next. Until then, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep printing.